PSS Speed Combi Grinder 280 is a universal machine designed for fast grinding of any kind of fresh and frozen meat with temperatures down to minus 25 degrees Celsius, with final particle size from 3 millimeters and bigger. The speed grinder handles fresh and frozen meat separately or together without any changes, and the hopper takes up to 8 blocks at a time. This device is suitable for high-volume production in medium and large meat processing plants. PSS SCG is generally supplied with a turntable crane for easy handling and a trolley for accessories. The machine has a safety guard for the grinding head, interlinked with control to secure the machine stops when removed. A cleaning program with a cleaning switch makes sure the turning parts only turn 15 degrees at a time to avoid any accident during the cleaning process. PSS SCG is manufactured from stainless steel AISI 304, and all external and internal surfaces that come in contact with the product are polished for easy cleaning and elimination of bacteria growth. PSS SCG is controlled from the central control panel with an option of changing the feeding and grinding speed. It is also enabled for a soft start with a ramp, ensuring minimal power consumption and noise level. The color touchscreen enables settings of each required worm speed to minimize temperature increase and to achieve required product quality. The control panel is prepared for integration with other equipment and can operate as an inferior to the main control. The hopper can hold up to 1,000 liters, and the material, fresh or frozen, is pre-ground to approximately fist size before the final grind. The desired structure and particle size is achieved according to the choice of final hole plate, speed, and temperature of the product. PSS SCG has a noise level of approximately 80 decibels and conforms with European Union regulations. PSS SCG can be additionally supplied with the PSS Bone Elimination System that enables perfect separation of cartilage, sinew, bones, plastics, and metals. The Speed Combi Grinder now has outstanding product quality for coarse as well as very fine grinding, independent speed regulation of each worm, minimizing of temperature increase and achieving the required quality, turntable and sliding crane, trolley for accessories, grinding head safety cover, polished surfaces, easy and fast sanitation.